It's wrong to assume that everybody is running after money. It is just that we have made money the currency or a common. Instead of being on barter system, if you're on barter system, if I gave you a ball, you will give me a bat, then we would be doing that. But now you can buy a ball and a bat with money. You can buy a home and a car with money. You can buy food and comfort with money. So money has become a common transaction tool and people need that to live. Now how they want to live? They don't want to live well, they want to live better than their neighbor. Because of that, money becomes important. If they just want to live, money would be a small part of their life. But now they want to live better than their neighbor, bigger than their neighbor. So, run behind the money becomes an endless run. Otherwise, in a short period of time, what you need for your lifetime you can create in terms of money and then do what is significant for your life rather than running after a tool which was just created to simplify transactions. Instead of simplifying transactions, it is complicated human life. That is because money is just a process, but a whole lot of people are beginning to think that money is a goal by itself. Money is not a goal, I want you to remember. It is only a process. It's an enabling process. If you want to buy food, you need money. If you want to buy comfort, you need money. But now, you're trying to buy a life with money. You will not succeed, for sure. It doesn't matter whether you have 10 rupees today or 10 million tomorrow or 10 billion tomorrow. I have seen many billionaire beggars still with the same mentality, where is the next buck? Money is only a tool of transaction. It is not a goal by itself, it's only a process.